Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno, elder law, probate attorney, all around good guy. Today's topic: how do I divide my assets without dividing the family? So, anytime that a person gives away their assets, right? So the idea of a will or an estate plan or a trust is that you take the possessions that you own, the assets that you have here and now, and you pass them along to the next generation. So it's a very broad question, and I'll distill it down to: how can you give away your possessions without dividing the family? Right? How to divide them? Well, there's a few different ways that you could do that. This is food for thought. You can list all of the items in any of your documents, right? In your will or in your trust. I'd like this watch to go to this person. I'd like my wedding band to go to this person. I'd like my engagement ring to go to that person. I'd like this painting to go here and this family brooch to go there, right? You could list everything. Hopefully you didn't forget anything, and hopefully the family is satisfied with that. Another way to do it would be to reference a list and have the list have that very same type of delineation, giving this item to that person. The benefit of a list is that you could give away things during your lifetime and then constantly update the list, or annually at least update the list. Whereas if you do it in a will, right, most probably you're not going to be consistently renewing or revising that will. Another way you could do it is to give away all of your possessions during your life, or at least some of the most important things, right? And that would enable you to gain a little bit of joy, right? Here is my very prized possession. Please take it and enjoy it. And that's not a bad way to do it. You might also want to get an appraisal of your items. Some of the wealthier clients do, in fact, get appraisals on their items, and they might need it even for insurance purposes during their life. Another thing you could do is, if you have one very valuable item, you can direct that item be sold and divided. So you had a painting, a valuable painting, and you have 4 children. You may not want one of the 4 children to have the item, or you might want one of the 4 children to have the item, but you wouldn't want to perhaps hurt anyone else's feelings. So a way to handle that is to sell it and then divide the money in 4. Another way, and then I'll end for today, another way might be by some kind of lottery system, right? You have everyone put their name in a hat, draw straws, pick the name, and they get to choose. And maybe that's the order of what they get to choose. So 4 children, 1, 2, 3, 4. Child that picked out number 1 gets to pick an item first, then number 2, number 3, 4. Right? If you have any questions about elder law issues, about your estate plan, please reach out to me. You can contact me through my website, frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.